Hi friends. Welcome to my Yosinga Nesinga channel. 1 minute of Internet 2020. In the world of modern technology, everybody is using smartphones. There are so much data being uploaded online on every minute, but it has no signs of slowing down. Every year Tomo releases its Data Never Sleeps chart, which provides a quick snapshot of what's happening online. Whether are you curious about the activities that happens online? In 1 minute, Netflix users stream 404,444 hours of video. DoorDash diners orders 555 meals. Instagram users post 347,222 stories. YouTube users upload 500 hours of video. Twitter adds 319 new users. In 1 minute, consumers spend 1 million online. Microsoft Team connects around 52,083 users. Facebook users share 150,000 messages. LinkedIn users apply for 69,444 jobs. TikTok is installed 2,704 times. In 1 minute, Venmo users spend around $239,196 worth of payments. Spotify adds 28 tracks to its music library. Instagram business profile advertisement clicks around 138,889. Amazon ships around 6,659 packages. People making voice calls/video calls around 1,388,889. In 1 minute, people spend on mobile apps includes around $3,805. WhatsApp users shares 41,666,667 messages. Facebook users upload 147,000 photos. Zoom hosts participating in meeting is around 208,333. Reddit sees 479,452 people engaged with contents. The world's internet population is growing vastly year over year. As of April 2020, the internet reaches 59% of the world's population. Comparing to 2020, there is a 6% increase from 2019. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like and share the video, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for instant notification. Follow on Twitter. Have a nice day.